What's going on YouTube? Kevin Reese here, and you can see here today I got this Otterbox Alpha Glass. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and install. This is going to be right here on my S9 Plus Samsung Galaxy. You can see I've already got an Otterbox case on the phone. I have the screen protectors. You can see right here, it's just it was one that I actually custom did. I actually cut, you can see along the top here where I cut, I just fabricated one from another phone, just kind of a generic, you know, one of those kind of rubbery type little just small screen protectors. It's got like a little nick up here at the top, got some dirt in under it. I got this case here because it's supposed to be, you know, in case you drop it, it's fortified. It's a fortified glass screen protector, so it's anti-shatter and scratch resistant. So, you know, if I drop my phone, yeah, like the thing about these new phones, if I drop it, yeah, the side and everything's protected and the back's protected, but what's not protected is going to be the screen because there's no protection on it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to install this one on it and see how it works. So unboxing the case here, guys, you can see, open this bad boy up like this, nothing else in here, set that to the side. So Alpha Glass, and these are our guides here. So I'm going to try to take this out gently. This is the actual screen protector here. You can see here it's got this back here, so we're going to peel that protective layer off the back of it. Peel off first, this side down, do not touch surface. So this is actually what we're going to be putting on. Set that to the side. You have our information here. Open that up. So this is going to be our cleaning wipe to remove excess dirt, and then our microfiber cloth, which is going to help remove all the dust and lint. And you can see here they have some instructions here, so if you want to look through all of these, very fine print, might need a magnifying glass. But anyway, let's go ahead and slap this thing on. If you have a case like I do, you want to first remove this case and then put the glass on, and this case does work with the Alpha Glass. So once I put the Alpha Glass on, I can put my case back on. But what I'm going to do now, guys, is take my case off, and I have some alcohol that I'm going to use to remove this screen protector and get this screen nice and clean, and we'll go ahead and throw the Alpha Glass on. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright guys, so got my case off and clean it up a little bit. Open up this cleaning wipe here, and you've got plenty, you know, it folds out pretty big. You got plenty of room with it. Just all my case and stuff to the side. So what I'm doing right now, guys, I'm just cleaning my screen off. So I've got it pretty clean. I'm pretty happy with it. And then they have the microfiber cloth, so we're going to go ahead and use that just to make sure we have it absolutely perfect. So just take this microfiber cloth, so what you want to do next is you install this this screen holder. So you want to put one end on here like that, and then put one end on here like this. This is what you're going to use to put your case on, to put the Alpha Glass on. So you would use that, and it's kind of like a guide. So, and it doesn't matter, they're both the same, so they're unidirect either way. If you want to put this one on the bottom, put this one down here on the top, you can do that. So it doesn't really matter which way you do it. After we have that done, guys, we can just take your screen protector and very carefully make sure you don't touch the back of it. You're just going to pull this off, peel this off on the back like that, and just go ahead and drop it on. Alright guys, moment of truth here. You be very carefully, we're going to align this. Alright guys, and it looks like, so once you put the alignment tools on nice and firm like this, just cut out at the top. This is going to be your top, so you don't cover your little LEDs and your sensors and your camera, because you can see the bottom is kind of got this piece on it. So let's go ahead and slap it on, guys. Alright guys, so I went ahead and laid it on. Nice and firm, as you can tell kind of from what I'm doing here. It's set pretty, it's pretty snug in between these pieces. So it's very, very tight fit. So I'm just pressing everything down now. So once that's done, take your guides off, pick the phone up and go ahead and press around all the edges. Make sure that it's completely sealed here. You can see this glass smudges real easily. But it's shatterproof. And I'll show you guys, I've heard some people say that the sensitivity, whenever you put this glass on, that it can interfere with the sensitivity, how sensitive the phone is to touchscreen. You can go into your settings and increase the screen sensitivity, and I'll show you how to do that in a second if we have that issue. But we'll see. But you can see that, guys. I'm sure you can probably see that. I mean, that's just from me touching it. So yeah, I mean, yeah, granted my hands are pretty sweaty right now trying to do this, but the screen is protected, so that's the big thing. I'll go ahead and I'll reinstall my Otterbox case onto it. You can see it smudges just about as much as the back of the phone does, but granted my hands are very oily because I was nervous putting this thing on, guys, trying to do it just right. And I'd have to say that I did a pretty darn good job. If you look at that, you can see where I've gotten the edges completely on. You can see the bottom here. You see the sides. I feel like I've done a pretty good job on it. So go ahead and put my case back on. I'm gonna clean this cover off. Alright guys, so I'll go ahead and tell you that yes, it does have decreased screen sensitivity. I've noticed that just from doing some things here. So the way you kind of fix that, so y'all can see here I'm trying to drag down from the top, so you kind of have to catch the corner here. Go to settings. So I've really got to press it. So if you come down here to advanced features, go to advanced features, scroll down, touch sensitivity. So increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use of the screen protector. So if I touch that way, it should resolve the issue. So far it looks like it's doing pretty good, guys. Yep, feels like it's back to my old phone. Everything looks like it's pretty good. You can see here though, if you look really close it's hard to see, but you can see like small dots like from this screen protector. But y'all, this thing smudges and shows up fingerprints like nobody's business. I mean, this thing's crazy. But luckily, you know, when you have your screen on, it's not gonna be, you know, it's not gonna be as bad. You still see it, but I'll probably be wiping this thing a lot. So if you just kind of take your shirt and just kind of wipe it, kind of helps a little bit. I used this cloth earlier, but I mean, you aren't going to have this all the time. But anyway, guys, so that's kind of annoying that it shows fingerprints that much. However, I can deal with that given the fact that if I drop my phone now, I'm protected all the way around. So not only, you know, the sides, but I have the alpha glass cover to protect my screen. So that's it, guys. I hope you like watching. I hope this has helped you out if you've been looking at it and trying to decide to get one or not. And yeah, I hope this has been informative to you. I'm Kevin Reese. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.